Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my hormonal acne skincare routine. It's funny because people think that since I'm the co-founder of Soko Glam and I wrote a book on skincare, they automatically assume that I'm going to have perfect skin. But that's totally not the case. I definitely work towards reducing fine lines and brown spots. And as you can see, I definitely deal with acne too. Hormonal acne is something I had to deal with starting at the age of 30. So I used to have acne here and there, but then suddenly at age 30, literally the day of my birthday, it was like a switch. I had to deal with cystic, painful acne along my chin, and it didn't go away either. So suddenly my #1 goal was to actually take care of my hormonal acne. So I know how frustrating acne can be. It's a lot of trial and error. And skin is also affected not only what you put on your face, but also diet and hormones. But with more education and finding products that are right for me, I've been able to figure out a routine that helps me reduce my amount of hormonal breakouts, and when they do occur, they can go away a lot faster. For example, the last 48 days, I had super clear skin, and then this happened. So I'm not saying you can get rid of acne entirely, but you can help control and maintain it. I'm gonna walk you through my skincare routine, and not that this is a one-size-fits-all for everyone that's dealing with hormonal acne, but it's something that works for me, and I hope you can learn something from it. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna start off with the double cleanse. I'm using the Skin Cleansing Oil and Blockhead to remove any oil-based impurities like pollution or excess oil. This is a unique oil cleanser because it contains PHAs and tea tree oil. It's also fragrance-free. After I rinse off the oil cleanser, I'm going to go straight into the Dr. Oracle thera Cleansing Foam. This is a water-based cleanser, and it contains salicylic acid, green tea extract, and tea tree leaf oil, which are all great for acne-prone skin types. The reason why you need to remove everything off your skin cleanly but keep your skin hydrated is because you have dead skin cells, bacteria, and excess oil on your skin, and there's nothing better than using the double cleanse to remove all of that. The next step is crucial. I love to use the Dr. Oracle thera Peeling Stick. It's like this jumbo-sized cotton swab that's soaked in 6% AHA and BHA, which keeps my pores clean. I use it about 1 to 2 times a week. It's really easy. Just swipe it along the areas you have large pores or hormonal breakouts. And there's so much formula on the swab, you can even use it on the neck. Next up is to tone with the Dr. Oracle thera Toner. I'm just putting a few pumps of this toner onto a cotton pad and swiping across my skin. The first ingredient is bamboo extract, and it also uses glycerin to fortify the skin barrier. It's also going to help hydrate and balance out my pH levels. The next step for me is an essence step. I'm using the Neogen Real Ferment Micro Essence to tap that hydration into the skin that is not dealing with hormonal breakouts. So this is a great way to keep those dry areas hydrated. This next product is a game changer. I'm sure you've heard of the Cosrx pimple patches. I use these when I have the most red, angry, and painful breakouts because it helps draw out the impurities and flatten them. I like to wear them at night, but I definitely use them during the day. Next up is a Fermentation Eye Cream. I love how it has fermented ingredients. It has galactomyces, also ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. And yes, I deal with acne plus fine lines, so I'm going to be applying this eye cream along my orbital bone so that it could soak in and really plump up any fine lines. Now to lock everything in, I'm using the Dr. Oracle Emulsion. This is a moisturizer that has ingredients that treat acne-prone skin, and it's able to get your skin hydrated without an oily finish. So your skin still needs moisture because it's probably lacking moisture but has excess sebum. The cream is a water-based cream with a gel-like texture, and is made with bamboo extract, sage, and green tea, so that's perfect for acne-prone skin types. And it's focused to keep the moisture in the skin without clogging any pores, so I'm not afraid to apply it directly onto my hormonal breakouts. Remember, if you're going outside, you need to use sunscreen, and this is my go-to sunscreen, especially when I'm dealing with hormonal breakouts. I apply it directly over my breakouts, yes, to protect it from the UV rays, because your acne breakouts are actually a wound, and you need to prevent UV rays from creating pigmentation. So that's the end of my routine that I use when I have a breakout coming. Then I have about 1 to 2 months where I can play around with lightening acne scars and brightening my overall complexion and working on hydration. I know a lot of you are dealing with acne, so I really hope you found this useful. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. All right, thank you. Bye.